Hi guys, this is Vanny Chopra here at the High Wycombe site, and as part of my weekly update I'm going to do a quick tour around to show you what's been going on, and a lot of progress has been made since my last video. You may have seen some of the photos of that new second floor going up on that other side there. That's part of that extension that was going all the way up. The roof trusses have already been done for that part of the roof, and they're currently doing the roof trusses for the rest of the roof. So let's quickly show you from close by, because obviously we can't go right in because there's a lot of people in there. But let's quickly show you what else has been going on apart from the roof work. Let me just quickly show you here. You can see there's some of this front brickwork here on the first floor level has been taken out, because that extension above the garage, that was the garage. If you come here quickly this way, that was the garage, which has now been blocked out. The door has been blocked out, and they've created a lovely large window for that kitchen living space. That brickwork has been knocked off, and then you see the back of it. That's the bit where the second story, the first and second story extension has been allowed. So it's taken back from the actual street level, as it were, so that they just wanted the right proportions for the extension widths. Let me show you give you a closer look actually. Here you can see that this is now the actual extension, the conversion from the garage to the existing house, with all the insulation and the double skin and everything's been gone in the cavity wall. And here, if you come here, you can see that the extension to that building is from that where the steel is going. There's a steel right there. That's the bit where you have the upwards extension going up on this side of the building here. But yeah, so that's coming along quite nicely. Let me show you what else has been going on internally. So this is the 2-bedroom flat on the ground floor. They've sort of opened it up quite nicely now. This is the bit that you could see from the window outside. So they've blocked that out for now because they're doing all the roof works. And this is bit where they're storing all their stuff. And this is going to be part of a 2-bedroom flat where you come in from here. And this is the open plan kitchen area. In fact, that's the bedroom actually. That's the bedroom. These two are the bedrooms, and that's the kitchen living area. But yeah, so you can see the new joists that have gone up on to support the first floor and above. Let's go have a look at here. They've added a new window here as well, which is going to be for this bedroom here. This is the toilet, but this is also going to go actually. This is going to be part of the new bedroom in the 2-bedroom flat. Let me show you above. Here, if you come in, I'll show you. This is the entry to the 2-bedroom flat here. They've now put all the stud walls in place for the bathroom. That's the communal bathroom for the flat. And here, the bedroom 2, and you have the ensuite here. They've blocked the window at the moment because they're getting some works done, but this is going to be the ensuite, and this is going to be the communal bathroom. That there is the kitchen open plan, living room, and here will be 2 doors, one going to bedroom 1 and the other one going to the kitchen. And let me show you the other flat 4 on the first floor as well. So this flat 4 is kitchen open plan living area, and here this I haven't shown you previously, but this is part of the one bedroom flat, which is a lovely large bedroom. It's about 8 by, it's probably 10 by 12 actually. So it's a really good size, and it's got double aspect, one seeing the front of the building and the other one overlooking the beautiful Rye in High Wycombe. You can see that from here on a lovely sunny day like this. It's looking even more beautiful. So guys, hope you found it really useful. Up above, I'll just quickly turn the camera up. They're actually doing the roof trusses, and they're actually redoing the whole roof today. They're going to complete that today, all the trusses. Then they're going to felt and batten it, and then following week they're going to start roof tiling as well. So we're hoping that we have done the main structure of the whole building with the extension bits, the new roofs and everything in the next sort of couple of weeks, and then we start on the